Hello, and welcome to another one of my unboxing videos from random stuff I purchase on Amazon. You see I have two of my cats walking around on the table. Lucky is the one that just jumped down. And this is Pepper. She got hit by a car back in January, and we had to amputate one of her legs. She's still the fastest cat in the house, so don't you worry. She's adapting really quick. So today, we have a Vanessa professional hair straightener. It is made in China. It is CE rated. It comes in a nice box. I don't know what China's been doing with their packaging lately, but these kind of rubberized feel boxes, I really like them. So let's see what we got in the box. Go. Okay, got a pretty hefty instruction manual. It looks like it's probably got about a dozen languages in it. And if you're curious, the model LM115. Looks like we have a storage bag with their brand name on it. And then the iron itself. A simple non-grounded plug-in, polarized though. Looks like we got a power button, different heat settings, and the two plats that it does. It has a real nice rubberized feeling on it. I like that the cord can spiral on the end of it, so you're not stuck to which way the cord's trying to come out. This feels pretty nice. Can't wait to have my wife give it a try. Keep your eye on the doobly-doo down below, and I will try and get that review, text at least, added onto this. Thank you very much.